Okay.
Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen, dear brothers and sisters, dear followers of Jerry TV television. I'm here and my name is Mr. Sheikh Ahmed Tijansi, and I'm in front of you today because I'm going to introduce a brand new Jerry TV television broadcast, and its name is the Jerry TV Television's English Learning Center. And as the name implies, English Learning Center means that we are going to try to teach the Jerry TV followers the English language, and we're going to try to teach them how to understand, how to write, and how to speak English. And not only are we going to try to teach them, but we are also going to try to help them into putting what we teach them in practice. And inshallah, God willing, if you keep following Jerry TV television and did this broadcast, we are going to do all it takes to help you to understand the English, because nowadays, as you can see, English is an international language and a worldwide #1 language. So I suggest you to go and to subscribe on the channel and to like this presentation. Thank you, dear ladies and gentlemen. See you very soon.
Hello.